Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Today I'm going to show you how to make magnesium oil. So magnesium oil is very easy to make, and we're going to make DIY easy cheap magnesium oil. And magnesium oil is extremely important for the body. It 300 different activities in our body requires magnesium oil. So in order to make the magnesium oil, we need 100% pure magnesium flakes. You can get it from any whole food store or online. So I have purchased from here online, and this is about 18 to $20. So, and this will last you more than a year. So what we're going to do is we need hot water. So we need about a cup of, need a bowl, stainless steel bowl, and we're going to get a 1 cup of hot water because we need to melt it in the hot water. Now you cannot pour the magnesium then heat up the water. You cannot do that. You have to have the hot water and then add your magnesium flakes to the hot water. Now this magnesium is extremely important for keeping you calm and getting rid of any kind of muscle cramp. This magnesium is very important for our muscle. So I'm going to fill up 1 cup. Now this is just for spraying in the body. This is not for consuming or taking bath, because you can take a bath, but this is very expensive to take a bath. You should take a bath with the Epsom salt, but this is just for the purpose of making the magnesium oil. And once you make the magnesium oil, you can cool it and then keep it in a spray bottle, and whenever you need it, preferably every night, you spray it on your legs and your arms. About 1 tablespoon on the legs and 1 tablespoon on the arms, and just go to bed, and this will keep you very calm, and also you'll not get any cramps. So you keep it airtight seal. Now I have 1 cup of water. Make sure your water is hot. This is not boiling hot, this is just hot, so I'll just mix it in it. Now this is like salt, so don't put it in open wound or anywhere. If you have a scratch or cut, do not put it, it'll burn. So now what I'll do is I'll just let it sit over here as long as it takes to totally melt. So you need to put equal amount, 1 cup of hot water to 1 cup of magnesium flakes, and then you let it sit and melt, and keep it away so that nobody by mistake will drink it or anything. And then once it cools off, then you put it in the spray bottle, and then nighttime before sleeping you spray it on your hand, spray it on your legs or thighs, wherever you want, and that will give you all the magnesium that you need daily, because we need to put the magnesium daily in our body, because we don't make magnesium. We just have to put it topically, and you can take orally, but not this magnesium. If you want to take orally, that is different magnesium. This is just for taking, put it in a, making it, put it in a spray bottle and rub it on your body little bit. 1 tablespoon on the arms and 1 tablespoon on the legs, and this will give you enough magnesium for the whole day, and it will keep you very calm and happy, and also it will get rid of any kind of muscle cramps. Now I'm going to make a separate video to list all the benefits that will come from the magnesium oil. This is just to show you that how easy it is to make magnesium oil in home. And magnesium oil, if you buy it outside, a little spray bottle cost about $30, but entire this entire tub for this magnesium flakes, this cost about $20, and for this you can make whole year worth of magnesium, a lot of it. Now, so I'm just, see, it's already melted half of it, and there's little bit left, and I'll let it melt, and once it's all melted, then I'll put it on my spray bottle. So I have to keep it covered. It's all melted, see? It's all melted. So this is your magnesium oil, and you just put it like this and just rub it in. It calls magnesium oil, but it doesn't feel like oil. But if you make very thick, it's sort of sticky, and yeah, it just feels a little sticky, but that's all. But after some time you'll get used to the stickiness, because the benefits are too much. So just make yourself magnesium oil and use it daily and see the benefits for yourself. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video, and I will see you with many more, and I will make a separate video to list the benefits of magnesium oil. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.